Indonesia is a mega biodiversity country with a vast coastal landscape that can open up promising business opportunities in the field of salt production. According to the Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, in 2017, salt production in Indonesia reached about 1 million tons per year. This indicates that salt production continues to increase. In fact, salt waterways can pollute water bodies due to its high mineral content, which can be harmful to the environment and health and reduce the quality of salt production. On the other hand, the high mineral content of salt waterways, such as magnesium, sodium, and potassium, can be further utilized and has a high economic value when sold. However, technological limitations in treating the salt waterways, also known as bitter, are a problem that needs to be overcome. The soaring demand for salt is the cause of the increase in salt waterways. Salt waterways is highly saline, contains heavy metals such as mercury, lead, and cadmium, and contains organic compounds such as pesticides and herbicides. This makes salt waterways very harmful to the environment and human health if disposed of without treatment. However, salt waterways has a high mineral content, but has not been able to be processed optimally due to limited knowledge and technology. Therefore, to address salt waterways, the existing technology is the construction of wastewater treatment installation and the chemical sedimentation process. However, the construction of wastewater treatment installation still has drawbacks, namely that it requires a lot of space and incurs high operational costs. Meanwhile, during the sedimentation process, the mineral yield is less than optimal. There is the addition of hazardous chemicals and it takes a long time. Based on the issues and potential that Indonesia possesses, we, Ksatria Airlangga, excellent with morality, propose an innovation title that is optimization of salt waterways processing into minerals and pure water based on electrodialysis technology, integrated IoT, and renewable energy. Let knows the pioneers of Albiter. This is Aini as a leader of team, and next is Arinda Melina Putri. The second one is Nabila Taklala, Namira Bakita Yunisa, and the last is Tiara Eka Saputri.
The primary goal of our project, Albiter, is to develop a saltwater waste treatment system based on electrodialysis technology. Through this process, we aim to transform saltwater waste into valuable pure minerals and clean water. This innovation not only helps solve pressing environmental challenges, but also increases the availability of fresh water, a critical resource worldwide.
So, here is the specifications display of Albiter. It's view from the front and view from the back. It is equipped with 4 quality and integrity systems. First, there is an electrical system on Albiter using monocrystalline solar panels as the main energy. The energy obtained from the solar panels will be used to power the water pump, electrodialysis technology, and water quality sensor system. At the bottom of the device, there is an electrical box containing a battery, solar charger controller, and Arduino Uno connected to the water sensor system. The next stage is the filtration system. Albiturn uses natural materials, including silica sand, activated charcoal, cotton, and zeolite stone. The filtration system is useful for filtering dirt or removing solid particles. The way it works starts from the bitter contained in the storage container being pumped to the filtration device. After the salt water waste passes through the filtration device, it will be flowed to the electrodialysis site. Electrodialysis is an ion separation technology that utilizes the basic principle of ion movement under the influence of an electric field. The technology uses anode and cathode poles to separate the ions contained in salt waterways, so that they will separate and produce pure water and pure minerals. The minerals obtained are magnesium, calcium, natrium, and kalium. Pure water produced during the electrodialysis process is water that is used at the beginning of salt production, but has been separated from the salt and its ions. So pure water is clean water that can be reused. Albiturn is equipped with a water vaporizer in the pure mineral reservoir. This aims to make the final mineral result in crystal form. Apart from that, Albiturn provides a water quality sensor feature so that it can assure users that the water is clean and safe to use. Albiturn is equipped with an IoT-integrated water quality sensor that can measure the degree of acidity, turbidity, and salinity levels of water. The sensor can be activated and controlled remotely, and the results obtained can be viewed via electronics such as mobile phone and laptops because they are connected to the Blink application. Through this system, the community will be greatly helped and don't need to do a lot of treatment, because the tool can produce pure minerals and pure water in one run through the Blink application.
Our Albiturn technology offers several key advantages, making it a standard solution for saltwater waste treatment. First, it delivers time and energy efficiency, allowing faster processing with minimal energy consumption. Another key benefit is the maximum result is achieved by optimizing resource extraction while minimizing waste. Third, the technology is designed to be environmentally friendly, aligning with the global sustainability efforts, particularly SDGs 6, 7, and 14.
The Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, are global goals set by the United Nations to address the world's challenges, including poverty, inequality, and climate change. The SDGs have a total of 17 goals. In accordance with Albiturn's focus, the points taken were 6, 7, and 14. First is SDGs number 6. Is to ensure that all people in the world, without exception, have safe and affordable access to clean drinking water and proper sanitation by 2030, as well as improving the quality of water management by protecting water sources from pollution, increasing water use efficiency, and strengthening international cooperation in transboundary water resources management. The second is SDGs number 7, aims to ensure that everyone in the world has access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and renewable energy. Why do you think clean and affordable energy is important? Energy is a basic human need. Without energy, we cannot do our daily activities, such as cooking, lighting, and transportation. SDGs number 7 focus on improving quality of life as sufficient, and clean energy can improve people's health, education, and productivity. Also, encouraging economic growth, as adequate energy access can boost economic growth and create jobs. And protecting the environment through the use of clean energy can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and other negative impacts on the environment. LB next focus is to develop SDGs number 14. By conserving and sustainably utilizing marine and ocean resources for sustainable development. The ocean is the source of life for many living things, including humans. It provides food, energy, and livelihoods for millions of people around the world. In addition, the oceans also provide an important role in regulating the global climate and absorbing carbon dioxide.
Additionally, the compact design of the system requires the four advantages, which is minimal land space is needed. This makes it ideal for implementation in coastal areas or regions where land resources are limited. Whether in small-scale community application or larger industrial projects, our technology can be deployed without requiring extensive infrastructure. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, it is cost-effective. Our system offers a low-cost solution to saltwater waste treatment, making it accessible for a wide range of stakeholders, from local communities to larger industries. This affordability is essential in scaling the technology and ensuring it can be adopted broadly, which in turn amplifies its positive environmental and social impact.